Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll discuss with you about different kinds of face powders which are available in the market. Face powders are available either in loose powder form or as pressed powder form. And face powders can be generally divided into three categories. One is compact, another is makeup setting powder, another is makeup finishing powder. Now, loose powders generally have one disadvantage, that is they are like difficult to carry, and most important of all, like application of loose powder is a bit messy in general. With respect to that, I'll say compact powder is easy to carry and also easy to use. Okay. Now if we talk about compact powders are available in different skin tones and with different coverages starting from low to high. So compact powder has two biggest strengths: its variety of skin tones, the variety of skin tones in which they are available, and also its coverage. And but I'll say that compact powder is not the best powder for controlling oil. It will definitely give you a matte finish, but it is not the best product for controlling oil, especially for the ones who have oily skin. Now coming to finishing powder. Okay, I'll tell one more thing about compact powder. Compact powder is generally applied either without makeup when you have completed your CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing and application of primer. Then you can apply compact powder, and or else if you have applied cream or liquid products like cream blush, cream highlighter, or else like foundation and all these things, then after that you can apply compact. Okay, to get a dry and matte finish base for application of other powder products. Now coming to finishing powders are generally available in loose powder form rather than in pressed powder form, and finishing powders are applied right at the last. You can apply finishing powder without any makeup also, like as I said in case of compact finishing powder. And if you are applying it after makeup, then do it after application of all the liquid and powder products, including compact powder, blush powder, highlighter and everything. It is generally the penultimate stage or step of makeup, after which usually we only apply makeup fixing spray. That is all about finishing powder. Finishing powder is again not the best product for oil control. Its best quality, or the most important quality, is giving you an airbrush and finished look. That is it. Now coming to setting powder. From the name in itself, you can understand that its primary quality is setting your makeup. Now setting powders can either be translucent, which will set your makeup and keep it in place for a long period of time and control your oil and shine, but it is not going to give you any kind of coverage or tint. Now if tinted setting powders are generally of two types. One is banana powder, another is pink setting powder. Banana powder, as you can understand from the name itself, banana powder is yellowish in color, which can color correct like very minor like discoloration and all these things. And pink setting powder is used for reducing paleness of your face. Now if you want any kind of color correction or reducing the paleness of your face, then use the respective products like banana powder or pink setting powder. And then if you want coverage, you can use compact powder of your skin tone and with the suitable coverage you want. If you just don't want any coverage or anything, but you just want to like get a matte effect on your face, then go ahead with a translucent powder. If you don't want much of oil control or anything but just want coverage, go for compact powder. And if you just want an airbrush look on your face, please apply finishing powder. Okay. And if you want matte finish and oil control look and an airbrush look, in that case you can use any kind of setting powder and finishing powder. If you want good coverage and finished look, then use compact and finishing powder. This is all about the different kinds of powders which are available in the market. If you have any other question regarding any kind of face powders, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.